Morning, everybody. Looks like overnight crew really took the price and ran with it. Yes, they sure did. Plan today is to wait for reactions off of fair value gaps. Don't hesitate, just take them. Take my couple points and be done. I took off. I'm not trading. I don't know I think I got a little too confident, and I've been trading my PA accounts or funded accounts after the stream, so that way I'm not affected by anybody else watching me. Another reason why I liked that was because I could get a feel for the market on the evals in the morning for the first 30 minutes to an hour. Get a feel for the market and then make a decision on how I want to trade the PAs. If it's like super choppy, then I could either de-risk or just skip a funded trade altogether. If we're not respecting fair value gaps all morning, then maybe I don't take a fair value gap trade on the funded. That's a good idea too. Stuff like that. But then within the last week, I decided to start trading the PAs with the evals and in front of you guys. And this last week and a half, they haven't been doing that great. They're all perfectly fine and alive and still in profit, and I'm still waiting on Apex to approve this last payout. But what am I doing? The whole I just completely deviated from my plan, and it started to show. So we will be only trading evals today. I picked up 2 more just while they were super cheap, and I'm just going to copy trade them. Got a couple from Bullinox and then the one from Apex that we've been working on, and we'll just scalp those the same way that I plan on scalping the fundeds. And then after the stream, I will decide if I want to take a trade on my funded or not. I'm not even trading my Apex funded today because the payout is still pending as of today. And yesterday I had a really close call that so I've already taken a payout on it, and I was mistaken, and I thought once you pass your trailing threshold and ask for a payout that you can still accept a payout even if you go back below that threshold, which on a 50K is 2,600. I thought if you go below 2,600 and you request less than that, like 1,000 or whatever, I thought that's okay. But then I checked with people, double checked on the rules, and every time you ask for a payout, you can dig into that trailing or that minimum balance, but you have to be above it every time you ask for a payout. And we were kind of red yesterday, and my account balance was at 52.3, so I was $300 less than what I needed to be, and my payout was still pending. So that means if I left it yesterday and they happened to check mine yesterday, then they would have denied me. And it's a bad place to be in because you're backed into a corner. But like, I talked with my wife about it, and I kind of needed that money. I was kind of banking on getting that payout next week or whenever they decide to pay it out. Like, I kind of wanted that this month. I didn't want to wait till next month for that. So I took a break. I checked with her, which was a good decision instead of me just going and starting to trade irresponsibly. I explained the situation. Look, I'm $300 less than where I need to be. They're going to deny my payout if I don't get it back above 300. Very dangerous because I could have easily went the opposite direction and tilted and blown the account. However, I was careful. I waited for a good setup. I took it. I got my 300. So the account is at like a little above 52.6. I'm only requesting 1,200. I'm not going to touch that account until the payout is approved and my balance reflects it. And then I'll still have 1,400 left in drawdown to keep trading. I wanted to have 2,000 in drawdown left. So it's only $600 difference. And I should not be ever going minus $1,000 on a day anyways. And we're just going to be careful with it. After that payout, that puts us at getting 1,700 out of that account, which is, I mean, that's good. Even if I don't want to blow the account, I don't want to lose it. I'm going to keep trading it. I'm going to try to keep trading it responsibly and keep pulling money out of it. I'm just saying that turning a 50K account into real $1,700, like, that account has done its job so far. Now it's my job to keep it and keep it going. And the responsible thing to do is to leave it until the payout is approved. If that means I skip this next payout because I'm not going to have the 10 trading days since I'm not going to be touching it, then so be it. And we will just work on a payout for next month. That's where we're at. Mike, are you still straddling? Are you still doing a straddle? I haven't had any extra accounts to let the bot trade. However, I was doing some back testing on Sunday with it, and it appears to be doing pretty good. The most recent 3 or 4 trades were winners with back testing, but I wasn't running it, of course. But now that I have some extra accounts, I don't want to waste time letting it trade evals because it's like a slower. It takes time for that bot to build up money. The point is, like, set it and forget it and don't even worry about it. Trying to think. So I don't want to deal with letting it try to pass an account. I'll pass an account, and then one of these accounts I pass, I'm going to give it back to the bot, and I'm going to buy the lifetime fee, set it up on a different computer, just start it, and don't even freaking, just every week I'll turn it on, and then at the end of the week I'll turn it off, and I won't even touch that computer. But yeah. So I'm not sure which bot you're talking about, but if you're talking about my fair value gap bot, it meets all the requirement rules for Apex. The only rule, the only rule they have with the bot for that one would be they say you need to be monitoring it 24/7. Like, you can't set it and forget it. However, that bot isn't like a high frequency trading bot. Some days it doesn't even take a trade. Some days it only takes one trade. In their larger trades, it looks very human-ish. The trades look like a human could have taken them because they're easy to spot. It's just, I don't want to sit there and wait for it. So it should be fine. I don't think I'll have if I get a funded account set up with that bot and it gets to a payout, I don't think I'll have any problems getting a payout. What's going on, Tyler? And they clarified you don't have to have a stop loss. They just don't want to see you taking losses constantly more than 3 times or 4 times the size of your wins. That's all. And everyone's making a big deal about these rules. Just trade responsibly and you'll be fine. If you have been passing evals by getting into trades and holding them into massive drawdowns and then you get lucky at the end of the day, then you need then you have a problem. You're not there. They might catch on, and they don't want you. They don't want to fund you. Do you have to? Do you have to be in those meetings? Eh. Can't you just send someone on your behalf? Can't believe a sell-off is happening. Freaking pre-market. Just looking at like all this consolidation, I mean, it makes sense for price to come back into this area, right? Isn't it like a supply and demand type of deal? I never got into supply and demand, but I think that's what that's talking about, isn't it? Like those areas of consolidation. But then people would probably, those traders would probably buy right around here. I don't know. We're just gonna scalp. I picked up a 25K and a 50K, and then I have a Apex 50K that we're working on. So I'm gonna trade the 25K and then copy double the size to the 50Ks. So I'm just gonna do one mini for 15 ticks on this 25K, and then it's gonna copy two minis to the two 50Ks. Damn. Got great movement, and we're going to open up and then just freaking chop around. Nasdaq Open has sucked lately. I know, right? What's going on? This is all because Delta closed to short too early. Should have. All right, we're about to open, right? Or we're open now. All right, McLovin. You hurry up. Apex is having a problem. Here's Apex. Must be your computer. You need to up. Have you ever gotten your Did you ever do your thermal paste? Jesus. ES is already at the these lows right here. Nasdaq has a ways to go. ES took out those lows. Jesus. This point of control just flipped downhill. What in the hell? Did you try logging out? Yeah, we're at 9:30, or we were at 9:30. I know, right? Where did he say he closed at? That's why he's not here in the chat right now. He's outside cursing at everything. I was short from 1917. Oh my god. Was it before or after the high was made? Because if it was before, he only took like 6 points of drawdown. If it was after, he had one hell of an entry. Those low, we got a bunch of equal lows at 928. I was messing with a different stream format with the charts last night. I don't know. I need to test it out and see. Oh yeah, I forgot, Evan. We do it. Yeah, I checked the news earlier. I didn't check it on the stream. We have news at 9:45 and at 10. Thanks for reminding me. But I was trying out a different layout so I don't have to switch the charts and basically keeping this one big 1 minute that I trade off of, and then putting Nasdaq and ES 2 5-minute charts where on this side of the screen. But I need to maybe we'll try it out tomorrow and then get your guys' opinions. I need your guys' opinions because it's for you guys. So if you guys prefer this way over that way, I need to know. Or if you like that way, yeah. It's not for me. I'm not watching these. Got a pretty big divergence here. That, and then this. Oh, frick. Fun. All right. I'm asking them where the bottom is so I can short Delta. Nasdaq did not want to take this low out. Not yet. I don't want to shoot a shot out of long here. All right, you guys trade and just do the opposite of what I say I want to do, and then you should be able to get some points out of that. All-time lows. I had my wife go bring the car in to get the tires rotated because we're going on a trip tomorrow, and it was time for them to get rotated. And they said one of the rims had a bend on the inside. It's not a safety concern, but now that rim is going to be on the on the front, where we steer, it's going to be noticeable. But it's not a safety concern. And then they're trying to get me to buy new rims. I'm like, I don't really want to buy new rims. Right? No, when I was talking to him, he's like, well, your wife did say she hit a curve. I'm like, yeah, of course. Of course she did. Oh, man. Yeah, I'll be like, I never saw a bend. I don't want to buy freaking rims. I mean, I would love a new set of rims, but just a little bend. Can't they just, it's metal. Can't you just bend it back? God. Spinners. I forgot about those. These ones are on sale and they look pretty sick. They're called Liquid Metal Shadow. Don't really want to buy them though. Don't they have the center cap that spins so that way they're always upright? And I'll just get the Ratlord logo on there. I have no. I don't know where the bend is. I haven't. They said they're gonna have her get a picture and a video of it so I can see it when she gets back. But he said it's not if it's not a safety concern, I'm not worried about it. You know. Got a gap right here. Came up. I'm not hesitating. We're just looking for a couple points for a reaction off of it. And that did not. That was on my funded, so that did not even copy trade, which is what I wanted it to do. That was on my Bull and Ox funded. We're up $70 on our Bull and Ox funded. That's not what I was trying to do though. Oh my god, I forgot about the news. Jesus. You guys are just letting me get into trades right here at... Oh my god. We have more news at 10, so we need to throw something on here. Isn't there a it's got to be a vertical line. Thanks. Vertical line at 10. We got news at 10. Look at that. Let's get my other font. Oh yeah, look at that's professional looking. I like how the text stays there. Like if I told it to stay in the center middle. TradingView, it doesn't do that, right? I don't think. TradingView's drawing is much easier to do. It's more intuitive, but I like how it stays there. That there's like something new happening at 10, I think. Everything's good so far, McLovin. We took a scalp right here off of this fair value gap. We came up and tapped it. I shorted for 15 ticks, and I accidentally had it on the Bull and Ox funded, and I wanted it on all the evals because all the evals are being copy traded. But that's all right. We're up $70 on the Bull and Ox. It's probably, they're trying to get me to buy all new rims. I can just buy one OEM rim instead of freaking buying a set of 4. Just deal with it for a while. Should I buy a rim on Temu? There we go, $200, free shipping. We'll see how bad the shake is first. If it even is. All right. We just cannot stop going down. We are now 125 points from Delta's entry. From where, McLovin? No, I'm not gonna stop it. You give me hell all the time for freaking long in the tops, shorting the bottoms. You're gonna hear about this all day. How many? Where did you exit? I don't remember seeing where you exited. I mean, you had to have at least gotten like 50, 60 points out of this move, right? What's up, Sue Trades? You're lying. You took 5? There's no way. You got more than that. You got at least like 40. 150 points now. Well, look, we might be. Or, I mean, we're in it now, right? Yeah, that sucks. 18.8 closes it, so another 60 points. Did you get it working yet, Alito? Up, Jason. What's that 18.841? Damn, every single short, every single Sibby is being tapped and then sell off, tapped and sell off, tapped, sell off. These are just evals. Damn, this. I see where my entry was. Bro, I'm taking that. damn, I don't. All these accounts were up a lot. Did I have? I need a better way of showing this screen to you guys. Yeah, that was only 2 contracts, but damn, I got like 10 points out of it. We got 420, 421 on that eval with that one trade. On the 25K, it was only one. It was only one contract, so 200. And then the other eval plus 440. Why do you think at 1010? Oh, I'm not touching my Apex PA. It's kind of frustrating that they're taking this long to approve it. My last payout, I put it in on a Friday, and then they approved it on a Sunday. So then by Monday, the new balance was reflected. It's everyone there. I saw in their Discord yesterday, like some people are just now getting approved, and they put theirs in on the 15th, and mine was on the 17th. So I'm just at the bottom of the list. I think it's taking a while because they're like actually looking into people's trades. Which it's okay. I need to practice patience and just. I mean, this is the goal of prop firms, is to get to a payout. There's no point in me risking it. Let them wait. I just need to wait a couple days, let the payout come, or let it get approved, and I can start working on the next one. All right, here's Jason's 841. Let me see if this goes down a little bit more. Not down here, but back to 840 or 845-ish. Maybe it's not gonna. I mean, I'll take it. I trust you. And I'm just looking for the 15 ticks anyways. Did I? We'll aim for a little more. Yeah, ES is way down there. Nasdaq didn't quite. Nasdaq did not go down there as far. Jason. I'm putting all my faith in Jason right now. We had that we put that line on there so I don't get into a trade at at news. And then look what we do. Oh, we're fine. I'm just gonna take that. I'm only looking for 15. I was only looking for 15 ticks, and I was getting a little too greedy, aiming more. I wish I could hold longer, but I gotta stick to my plan of just scalping. And I got in like that trade had nothing to do with any of my setups whatsoever. And what the hell did you see at 841? Why? Like, why did you say 841? 3 points of drawdown? Who do you work for? 40 points with 3 points of drawdown so far? We're in this. It's looking for a 15 ticks. Hmm. All right. I these last couple trades, and starting with this 841 play, I put a lot of faith in brother Jason, and I added to my copier my Boolinox funded. So thank you, Jason. My Boolinox funded is up 724 on the day. So I'm gonna turn that one off because that is way more than I aim for. I was talking to a couple people. I think Tyler, and I can't remember if I was talking on here. Like I don't know if I should stop when I get to 200. I should on good days I should try to probably aim for more, because on bad days I keep going. So I need to lower my red days and maybe increase my other days. So I'm gonna turn off copying to the Boolinox, and we'll keep going on the funded. Or sorry, I'm going to turn off the fundeds and keep going on the evals. We got 3 evals. Yeah, I like a long here. Got to put a swing in right there. Let me wait because of this. See if we can get back up to this high right here. Got it. It's more than we're normally going after, so that's fine there. I'm getting a little greedy. We need to stick to our plan. Damn, Jason, we have to start a channel in the server for Jason signals. We'll make it a subscription. We'll have one for Jason and one for Tyler. Eight, 5, 7, 8, 7, 8. Nice. Wait, did you just get out on this one? Was it this leg you got? Oh, this candle didn't hit it. It came back. Did we go up first and then down, or did we come down and then up? I don't know. Yeah, I bet you're watching it very closely. I like to see these lows taken out one last time before it just rolls back up, but it doesn't have to. Got equal highs on the one, or not equal, but relatively close highs right there, and then we put this one in right here, so that leads me to believe these may be taken out in the future. Nice. That's all you need to pass it by. Man, it sucks we had such a good day so far and I couldn't trade my Apex funded. I'm only 500 away from passing the Apex 50k we have. You definitely call it, Jason. What's going on today? Everyone, we're all just killing it. See what happens when we work as a team? I kind of love what NQ is doing. We've got big candles, we got big bodies, and the wicks are staying like usually on one side, or they're not that big. That's what I like. And we're actually moving. I mean, yeah, we had a little consolidation here, but that's okay. It was respecting a fair value gap, just bouncing in between this one and this one until it got out of there. So far, so good. Got this big gap here. It's 20 points. Well, we'll take a trade on it if we can get in there a little more. I don't want to get in up here because I'd have to hold it through all that. Of course, it could just only. Yeah, that would have been my 15 ticks. But we don't want too many people finding out, Jason. We got to keep this low key. Damn, of course we get a little tap and it does that. I have been thinking about in the near future doing some streams only on Discord, but just like you guys, just like just keep it with the regulars. Yeah, Donkey Puncher don't show up anymore because I've been killing it lately. He's got nothing to say. Not that I'm aware of, McLovin, unless he's in there under a different name. I haven't heard from him in. Let me see when his last comment was. It's been a minute. I don't know, Tyler, about opening it up to everyone being able to be in voice. That might be a little too much. It could work. Damn, he hasn't showed up in a minute. Two months ago. Oh, it was required authentic. No, I don't have any. I don't know how to set that up. The last time he commented was when I was getting over being sick and I kept coughing a lot. And he said, "Dope stream, dude. Hopefully you can gag some more into the mic on the next one. Maybe hawk up some loogies." What a guy. What a guy. And then this one, I think you are delusional. Your strategy doesn't work. It's proven. Fair value gap is a myth perpetrated by a known fraudster and liar. The dude is selling courses. He gets wrecked when he trades. I don't know what you think the end game is here. You've done nothing except show that you are terrible at trading. Oh, man. Oh, damn, Evan. Was VWAP up here? Have I told you guys? I don't think I've told you guys how Donkey even showed up. I think I've only told a couple of people. I missed a long right there. Why aren't you trading, Alito? You still got issues? Yeah. He had a lot of good comments. I was too busy talking, missing all that, and then a little bit of a FOMO there. Frick. Donkey was right. I don't know. Don't you have aren't you on Bullinox and stuff? Just trade something else. Come on. Please keep this swing. Frick. Yeah, that's what I get for talking about it. So I saw him commenting on another. He was like roasting this other streamer a long time ago. I F it. I think this is okay still. I saw him roasting another streamer constantly, and I thought it was absolutely hilarious, the stuff he was saying. And I'm like, damn, I want him to come roast me because I just want to see what he has to say. But I'm like, it would be weird if I say something. So I had one of my friends go comment on one of his comments and say, hey, you should go check out Ratlord Trades and blah, blah, blah. And then he showed up like a couple days later. So little does he know, I'm in control of him. Come on, this is a beautiful 50% pullback. Bodies are staying up here. Wicks right at the 50%. I kind of got nothing to lose right now because I did take a trade on my Bullinox. My Bullinox funded is well into the green. Tyler, don't say that. Hopefully you're wrong. This is a bad idea, wasn't it? All my accounts were super green. This is what I get for being greedy and continuing instead of just stopping. But we were doing so good. We were having fun. We're just chilling. We're just chilling on the charts. I thought we were unstoppable today. This, god damn it. Get a little bounce off of this, right? No. What did I just do? What the hell? What did I just do? What did I just do? Did I not click buy right there? I don't want to see this come back past that. Damn it. We summoned Donkey Puncher. Now we're going to give him something to roast me for. God, what did I do? I don't understand what happened on that trade. Like, I had to take profit, so I was adding, and then I thought I closed the take profit, but it closed the position. I guess I clicked the wrong one. Oh, God. The source of the mistake was I FOMO'd into a trade because we were talking and I wanted to buy this one as it dipped down into here, and then I waited and then got in way up here and then held it too long, and we could have just taken 5 times the points I usually go after. Yeah, I don't like taking losses. That is true. $6.20 on the 1 minute. That guy right here. Oh yeah, look at that. This swing. We dipped down and took those out. Nice. That was a nice read. I just effed up all my these evals. Like I said though, my funded is up 700. That's what matters. We could get like one. If we could get this to move back up towards these highs, we'll be back to where we were. All right, distract myself, and I'm gonna go upload. I miss trading like that. Yeah, we started trading only evals this morning, and then after a couple trades, I added my Bulanox funded copying to them, and then that was green, and then I took it off to secure the 700 that it's up, and now we're back only on evals. So that's probably why I'm being a little more reckless with them. You know? Yeah, here's my Don't say that. Here's my Bulanox funded. We're up 724 on it. Honestly, because of brother Jason. No, I know. Your jokes, I love your sense of humor. We'll just take that. That should put us back. We were super green on everything, and that mistake put us red on everything, on all the evals. So I think that put us back. Sucks we had to do a little roller coaster like that, but it's whatever. Thanks, Chino. I didn't tell you, or I kind of mentioned what happened yesterday. with my Apex funded. So I had to jump off the stream quickly because I had somebody show up at the house that I was waiting on, and then we were red. I don't remember how much, and then I got back on the charts. It made it worse. And then I'm like, F it, I'm done. I can't make this any worse than what it is. It's pretty bad. But my account balance was $300 less than the threshold that they allow you to like. My account was in the green, but I'm not allowed to take payouts where it was at because I was $300 under that limit. I'm like, damn, like I really want this payout that's coming. So I ended up taking one trade, got back up above. So we're just leaving it there. I'm gonna wait till the payout comes. But between the two fundeds yesterday, because I was green on my Bullinox and red on Apex, between the two I was down 400. That's not that bad. It's just that all the red was on the Apex and all the green was on the Bullinox. So, but if I look at it as combined, it's not that bad. A $400 loss, a minus $400 day is not that bad between two accounts. Came into this gap right here. No, that was so close. Right. I started doing 15 ticks because Alito always talked about 15 ticks, and I was usually going after more, but I don't know, 15 ticks just feels good. It's only 3.75 points, but you do one or no, one mini's like $70. Two minis is 140. Three is 220-ish. It's, I mean, you just got to be disciplined and not take losers this size like what I did. Yo, today this is my price action. When price looks like this, I love it. We're getting reactions off of all of these fair value gaps. Like you can enter anywhere on them and pretty much make money, except when you do it at the wrong time, which is what I did over here. I would have 1000% longed on this wick because we came halfway between here, and that's what I was waiting for, but we were talking and I missed it, and then it started moving up. So then I entered with a FOMO, and freaking that's why we messed that up. But even on this one down here, that we're not bearish anymore, but we created this. We come up. What did we do? We wick in it. You could have easily gotten the 15 ticks out of that. No, Delta. Get it back or go outside and go kick rocks or whatever you do. Yeah, we've overtraded too. Here's another little gap right here. I don't want to see this one dig more. I don't know why. I just would prefer it to go further into it. See if this one works after I just said it's easy to get these points everywhere. This is going to be the time that it just absolutely wrecks me because of that. Are you green, Evan? Or it's more important, did you follow like the plan that you had for yourself today? Green or red, as long as you follow your plan, that's a win. All right, I think I'm going to call it there too. It's 10:30. This was a hell of a day. Round of applause for everybody. We freaking killed it. I even had a massive loss. Like an absolute, like, let me show you, let me show you what this account looks like. This was, and I mean, it was an accident, but we were up 1100, and then I went from 1100, and then within that mistake, we went down to minus 200. That freaking sucks. And then, you know, we just kept it cool. We kept it chill. We kept it lax. Do people say lax for a short term for relax? I don't know, but and then we ended plus 960 on this account. But that's the 50. This is the Apex 50K. This is my funded. We're up 710. My Bulanox funded. I didn't touch I only have 2 funded right now. I didn't touch the Apex. This is the 25K Bulanox that I just picked up. We were up 500, but we're ending up plus 330. And my goal for that one is only 150 because that will pass it in 10 days or 2 weeks. And then the other 50K that I just got from Bulanox, same thing. Up 1100 down to minus 300. That one was even worse. And then back up to 760. Damn, if we didn't have that mistake, we would have killed it. Oh, hell yeah, Sue Trades. Are you gonna take out the whole amount or keep going with that 25K? This 50K with Apex that we've been working on the last like several weeks, that's what we've been streaming mostly. It was up to 52.5 earlier, but that mistake screwed us. So we're ending at 52,300. So we have about 700 to go. Hell yeah, Chino. Yeah, you have a good one. We're gonna finish this week strong tomorrow. Nice. Here's since we traded a funded and we're all done with it, I can give you guys an update on where the funded accounts are at. Put this right there. So this was yesterday's minus 440 between the two. Again, it just sucks because all the red, it was more red on the apex. It's just my bull and ox I did good on. Then today we added 745 to the bull and ox. Not sure what the account balance on that is. Probably only like 700-ish. Oh no. It's at 1300 in profit. I'll take it. Look at this equity curve. That's beautiful, right? This was the day that I traded on a Sunday night. Just too much anxiety and nerves going into the week with funded accounts, and I made a mistake. The next day I got a lot of that back, but we've been keeping it nice and steady from there. Later, Evan. Hell yeah, Joseph. I just got to keep it up. All right. You guys all have a good one. And we'll do the same thing tomorrow. Hopefully we get some good price action tomorrow again. Man, if price was like this every day. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. You guys have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Good job, everyone. And see you guys tomorrow morning.